Izakhamuzi ishiyelane inkundla echazela uMengameli idingo engenazo. Abanye bekhala ngokwentuleka kwamathuba emisebenzi, ibhedlela ezingaweneli umthamo womphakathi, nohlelo lokubhalisa izindlu zomxhaso ezilisola ngokungahanjiswa ngendlela.
Yabona mina owamama wasweleka dina 8 years old applyile for me. But mhla ndabhada nabanengqondo yoya kwamasipala ngibuze ngendlu kwathiwa i-application uhambe nomzali wami.
We are a Ramaphosa area with 5 towns with only 2 hospitals which cannot accommodate us in any way.
UMengameli ubehambisana nongqongqoshe beminyango ehlukene abathembisa umphakathi ukuthi bazoyiphendula ngokusheshsha izikhalo zabo.
The challenge most of the time, Mr. President, which is what we are trying to make sure that people understand, is that you apply first and then we must evaluate whether you qualify as a person.
I'm glad, Mr. President, to announce, and I hope we'll be really working together. Thanks for giving us another 10,000 of the police that are at college as we speak.
UMengameli Ramaphosa utshele izakhamuzi ukuthi uhulumeni uzoba nohlelo lokuqinisekisa ukuthi omasipala abawusela amanzi ngenxa yokucishwa kukagesi ngenhloso yokuwonga.
We heard what Minister Nkadimeng also said, that we are also setting up grants that are going to support our municipalities so that the water works continue operating even during the period of load shedding.
UMengameli uthulumeni wesifundazwe nokazwelonke uzokwabelana ngezikhalo eziqhamuka emphakathini bese uyithathela inyathelo.